In this video, we will learn how to hide or turn off WhatsApp notifications. Welcome back to another simple video, everyone. In this video, we'll show you how you can completely disable your WhatsApp notifications or how you can hide specific ones like lock screen notifications, message previews, or other stuff. You can customize the notifications to your liking or just turn them off completely. We can do this by going into the settings of our device, or we can open the WhatsApp application. We'll first open the settings on our device and then we'll scroll down until we can see WhatsApp on this list. Open it and then select this notification section. In here, you'll see this page with a bunch of different settings related to your WhatsApp notifications. You can enable or disable the notifications you get on your home screen, lock screen, or the notification center. We also have an option to enable or disable the badges, which are the little red dots in the top right corner of your app icon. You can turn off the sound if you want to. And if you want to completely hide all notifications, just disable this option called Allow Notifications option. That will disable all your WhatsApp notifications and you won't be able to tell if you have any messages unless you open WhatsApp directly. And if we want to access the WhatsApp notification settings, we can easily click on this blue WhatsApp notification settings option right here, and that's going to open our app. But if you use an Android and you don't have the blue button, what you want to do is to simply open WhatsApp, then click on the little gear icon in the bottom right corner, and then open the notifications section. Now we can customize different settings in here like the message notifications, the group message notifications, and all that other stuff. You can play around with this, and even disable everything if you don't want WhatsApp to send you any notification whatsoever. If this video helped you out and you were able to hide your WhatsApp notifications, then make sure to leave a comment on this video and subscribe to App Tutor for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching and see you soon.